very important system for the work site. Log out, tag out, log in, tag in system. This is very important for the job site, because if we are following to this system, then also we can protect to our workers, our site, our job and everything. Several accidents we've seen. The guys, if they are not following the tag out system and log system, then they are facing with an accident. If we want to work, we want to close any electricity, we have one system. Our control room have a log board, and also we have a log book. If we want to work anywhere, first we take the work permit. Okay. After work permit, we visit the site, and then we inform to our client we want to do this job and we need the log system. Okay. Then the operational people and client side also they visit together and they are putting together log. Okay. One log from the construction side people and one from the client side. They are going together, they are putting log there, they are also writing their report. Okay, we are doing this side, this area we want to close electricity, and then the signature, and then we put the log. When the operational people, they finish this job, alone they cannot close this electricity. If they alone they want to close, because there is two logs. If one log they can take, but the other log they cannot remove, because they want to remove both. Then they need together, they want to visit, together they join visit, and also they can remove the logs, and also they are writing their report. Okay, this project, this work is finished and we remove this log at this time. For electricity, also for the gas lines, we want to close any lines, first we are doing this one. Also we putting tags, this log. If we are not following to this one, if the guy is working online and in the room or anywhere, and we have a power off from the breaker or main switch, and the guys working there, if we don't have a log system, and maybe other guys coming over, they say, oh, why is the electricity off? He tried to on, and then maybe the other guys, they not know about this matter, when anybody can on or off, and they off, then guys may be finished, died. Because this one is very important. Log out, tag out system is very important for the everywhere. If we are working in home, also we can use this method. We off the main switch or breaker, then we also put the lock. Maybe children's coming there and they try to on, they don't know, oh, maybe father, brother, they are working inside. No, they don't know, because we must be use this system everywhere. Then it's better for us, for our protection, for our family. And in the plant, never allowed to, without tag system, without tag, anybody off the switch and without information, he try to start the maintenance or anything. If electric line, oil lines, or gas lines, or anything, we must be put first log, tag. Tag also we are writing there, this group installer this tag, and how much time they want to use, which area they log, they off. These are the information the tag giving us. And several tags we are using. After that also, the other tag also we are using, some area is dangerous, okay. We are putting signboard there. This area not allowed, authorized person only allowed. Some generator, something, there we are putting this tag also. With same like this scaffolding have a 3 tag, this red tag it means not allowed. Also green, okay, you can use, and but yellow, this one is used but with the full body harness. This several information giving us tag system. But some tag, some log is very important. For the line, powers, gases, for this, if we are not following to this tag system, log system, then very dangerous. But some places, some side is written there, oh, exit, some tag. This door is emergency exit. There is written some signs. We must be followed to this one. If any emergency case, we can use this one. And also some tag, we seen some areas, authorized person allowed. It means there is some hesitancy. We must be used to this one. And some place also we can see there is radiography signs. Also they have some tags. In this area have a radiography. If there is nobody, stop to us, because if we want to enter maybe door and we can enter. But there is also have a tag. Unauthorized, don't enter, or also radiography inside in progress. Also we are working in Hadid, there is some rooms, there is written some signboard, also have access door, room, everything. But when anybody seen this radiography sign, he not enter, because there is also continue this Hadid, this steel is going on, and continue there is radiography is in progress. But if anybody want to cross this area, and radiography also affect to that guy. If radiography affect, you know how much bad effect coming by radiography, too much, very dangerous. Several things you not hope what's the coming there, because maybe after a few days the guy is finished. Radiography is very dangerous, especially for this steel. They are using sometimes very thick. Now in Hadid have a 4-inch, 5-inch, and sometimes 10-inch thickness steel. The electricity crossing to this one, and they are using too much high curie. Then now if the curie is the 11 and 15 minutes they want to use, then we are using to this, in this situation 50 meter we must be keep 15 meter barricade area. We not enter in 15 meter if we are using 11 curie or 15 minutes. And in Hadid plant they are using too much curie, and also continue, not a 15 minutes, 10 hour, 12 hour. Oh, this one is very dangerous, and too much area we need. Keep far from this area, because this one is very dangerous. You know, this radiation can cross from the steel, and human body is normal. Normal curie can cross from body one place to one side to other side. Because we must be care about these things. Tag is very important. If we looking any tag, there is written some tag. If you are also going in your office, there is some written. Okay, this portable for this guy. This sign is for the manager office. This one is for this purpose. If any side you written, first you read, because especially our safety people, they are going inside any plant. First they check the environment. What is the environment? And then after that, which type tile is available. If some cranes also, you know, we are using the crane, and the crane have some inspection, something is damaged, or safety large is not there, or hydraulic leak, we are using one tag. We are taking one tag from our company, and then we are writing there, okay, this crane have this problem, we put the tag. We use their tag. It means now this crane is not able to work. Also, our fire extinguisher. We are going in the site, we are visiting the area, and we are using their tag for the fire extinguisher. Every month we inspect our fire extinguisher, we put the tag. And tag also we are writing there in January, we are inspect this fire extinguisher, we are sign, and this one finished. Then after that, we put this tag, and also if the next month also January, February, and every we sign. And when we want to see any fire extinguisher, first we check his tag. His tag is valid, his expiry date is valid, okay, we can use. And also sometimes we are using some chemicals. Chemicals, if any chemical we found in our area, first we read his tag. What is the written there? Also there is written is MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. But we must be study which type chemical, how we protect from our workers, how we protect ourselves from this chemical, and which chemical is available, and how which items we mix together and then blast or any other hazardous. Because this thing is very important. Basic requirement. If any safety officer he visit the site, must be study the all type of tag. If we know about the tags, we arrange the tags properly, then we can control the hazardous, control